Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. To those who are new, my name is Ellie. I do lifestyle, motherhood, and beauty videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be part of a fam here on YouTube. Today I'm actually going to be showing you guys my small office tour. It's kind of like my room is on the right and then my office is on the left. So it's pretty small, but I feel like I've done so much to it already from how it was before. And actually, like, I have a little bit of footage of like how it looked before, so I'll insert that now. So I'm gonna show you an overview quickly before the heater turns on of how the room looks. That's how it looks right now. We're gonna start moving some stuff around and see how it goes. Well, I ordered a desk for myself because I want to be able to work on it. It's gonna make it a lot easier. So as soon as you walk in, to the left is actually this mirror that I got at TJ Maxx Home Goods. And I actually had a different mirror up here, but since I put this one, I decided to take the other one off, and I added these two little paintings that I did to like just to give it a little bit of style. So I originally had this mirror on there, but I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. I actually want to add a carpet under this mirror. I'm actually gonna be getting it, hopefully when this thing is all over, from like Amazon, just to add it to the bottom, just because it looks so plain. The only reason why I took it out of the living room was because Oakley actually like would stand on it, so he doesn't come in here at all. So that's a huge plus. Next to that mirror is actually this cabinet. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this due to when I film in here. And then let's start off with the wall here. So the wall, I actually got these two pieces from Target. They were $9.99. That one I got it from Target. I think that's a gift Daniel gave me. And then that one, I have no idea where I got it. Probably Target too, on the sales section. And then these, I actually got it at Michael's. It's an art craft store. And then Target, got this as a little gift. It says happy birthday. Daniel got that for me. And then this is one of those, like, I forgot the name for it. If I find it, I'll put it on the screen. But that is like supposed to be for like good energy and stuff like that. It naturally turns on, but I don't have it plugged in. This was a mistake. I actually did. When I was building it, I couldn't take it out, so it stayed there. So I have some of my notebooks there, some makeup here, and then I have like my eyeshadows in there. I'm actually gonna start putting more essential oils in there once I get them. And then in here I just have makeup, like brushes and some mist and some lotions and a candle. In here I have like camera equipment, some paints, canvases, just like random stuff in there. And then next to that I have this picture frame that holds a lot of pictures, like Polaroid pictures on it. And I actually got that at Forever 21, probably like 2-3 years ago. And then I have this flower, I got it at Target. This frame thing that I actually got at TJ Maxx Home Goods. And then these plants that I got. So these are fake succulents, they're not real. I got them on Amazon for like $19, I believe. And then I have like this thing that holds like pens, pencils, stuff at TJ Maxx Home Goods as well. I think I got it for like $4.99 or something. And so I just have markers, pens, and then I got some paper clips. I don't like using them because they're my favorite color, but anyway. Then I have a picture of me, some hand sanitizer. These are like all the cards I've gotten from like ColourPop. They say like cute stuff on it that I really love. So this whole desk, I actually got it at Wayfair. It had like really good reviews and stuff. So I was like, you know what, let me just risk it, right? Because on Wayfair, either it's a win or lose situation. It was for like less than, I believe, $100. I got it on when it was like on sale or something. The actual color I wanted was white. But if anything, if I get tired of this, I can just paint it. So I'm actually gonna show you guys what's in here. In here, I just have like my coloring book, some like drawing paper, a notepad, my DS, my glasses, my headphones. What's this? Oh, yikes. A pouch with like, I think it has like book holders in it, and then for your glasses to clean. And then I just have like tons of papers that I have to actually go through because these are important. So I have this little thing that I made for Daniel, and then this one where I have like tons of pictures as well in here. Yeah, I have like tons of pictures. Yeah. This is one thing I don't like, just because you can see these, but it's okay. I'm like whatever about it now. And then I have like my jewelry thing in there, some pins that I leave in there. Hello, sit. Good girl. Give me your paw. Good girl. You get too excited. And then I have this chair. It's just a regular basic chair, and I put like a blanket on here just because this is not the most comfortable chair for an office desk. But we'll see if eventually end up getting something else. I have blankets in there, which is just so random because on this side is my bed. So yeah. So I got this carpet at TJ Maxx, I believe. It was like a while back before I had Oakley, and this was gonna originally go in his room, but I didn't like how it looked in there, so I just kept it. Oh, I forgot to say, those bins I actually got at Target for like $5.99 as well. Oh, and in that room, that's actually not a closet or anything. It's more like where the heater is. So that is actually it for my small inspirational office tour. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!